Let's see how to watch saved videos on YouTube for iPhone. Here I have the YouTube app, and let's say I'm watching this video. I can just come here and save. As you can see, I just tap on this button here and it saves, right? And then if I want to watch it later, I just come back here to the main screen and then I tap on this U button. And from here, I can see the history and also the saved videos. You see here, watch later. Then when I come back here, I have this saved video. And from here, I can just play and watch it again, or I can just come and remove from watch later, which is a playlist. Okay, I can have different playlists. I can come here, save to a playlist, and just select a new playlist. Let's say this one, for example. I'm gonna name it MrBeast. There we go. Now I create a playlist, and from now on, I can come back and save any video that I want to a playlist, and then I can just watch later, right? So I come here and I can save it again, just right here, and then I can select the playlist, MrBeast, and then I can just watch later, right? I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can watch a saved video on YouTube for iPhone. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.